Hello viewers, this is SM Kausar. Once again in this tutorial I am going to tell you a step-by-step process how to turn off Facebook two-factor authentication. First open your Facebook app. Click on here. When you log in your Facebook app, you find top right corner your profile icon. Tap on here. When you tap, you also see scroll down and find this option setting and privacy. Click here. You click here, you also find this option setting. Click on here. When you click, you also see and find this option password and security. Tap on here. When you tap, scroll down, you find this option password and security. Click here. When you click, you find this option two-factor authentication. Tap on two-factor authentication. When you tap, you find your profile. Which profile you will be of your two-factor authentication. Select your profile. Tap on here. When you tap, enter the code sent your Gmail. Go to your Gmail account. And see new get code your phone number. Copy and paste code. Thanks for watching your video.